So I was just about to take my makeup off, and I got this bright ideas to try to color my brows. So I have Juvia's Place eye primer, so I'm gonna put that all over my brows. So I give it a good little shake. Make sure you shake your primer, and then I'm just gonna put it in my arm. I'm gonna just go at it. Ah. This is how it's looking. I have some very, very thick brows at the moment because I haven't gotten them in a while. But now I'm gonna set them. It's looking a little crazy. No, I don't know what I'm doing, so I just went in with a white color eyeshadow. I did this one, so I'm gonna do the same thing here. So I'm going with the pink color. That's what I decided to do, pink. Okay, so it's a pink eyeshadow. This is how we're looking. Now I'm going to try to shape my brows. I don't have. So I'm just going in with my concealer lightly. I'm trying to create my brow shape again. And I went the same thing on the top. Y'all see this? Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and try to blend that concealer out into my makeup, and I'll be back. Oh yeah. Look at her. Y'all see how skinny I made my brows look now? I really need to get my brows done, but that's neither here nor there. But baby, this it. Okay, now if I had the hair match, the lace match, that would have been a vibe.